Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for using an Afterpay debit card. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows you to make purchases and pay for them in installments. To get the most out of your Afterpay debit card and avoid any potential pitfalls, follow these step-by-step guidelines. First, understand how Afterpay works. Afterpay allows you to make purchases online or in-store and pay for them in 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. You will need to link a debit or credit card to your Afterpay account, and the installments will be automatically deducted from this card. To use your Afterpay debit card responsibly, make sure you have sufficient funds in your linked account to cover the installment payments. You should also keep track of your payment schedule and ensure you have enough money in your account on the due date to avoid any late fees. Another important best practice is to only spend what you can afford to repay. Afterpay is not a credit card, and you should not use it to make purchases that you cannot afford to pay back in the agreed upon time frame. Make a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending and accumulating debt. It is also essential to monitor your account activity regularly. Check your account balance and transaction history to ensure everything is in order and there are no unauthorized transactions. If you notice any discrepancies, contact Afterpay customer support immediately. In addition, be aware of the fees associated with using Afterpay. While there are no interest charges, you may be charged late fees if you miss a payment. You can avoid these fees by making timely payments and keeping sufficient funds in your linked account. To get the most out of your Afterpay debit card, use it for purchases where you can take advantage of the buy now pay later feature, such as online shopping or in-store purchases. You can also use it to budget for larger purchases, such as electronics or furniture, by breaking down the cost into manageable installments. By following these best practices, you can use your Afterpay debit card responsibly and make the most out of this convenient payment option. Remember to always prioritize responsible spending. Monitor your account activity and make timely payments to avoid any potential issues. With Afterpay, you can enjoy the benefits of buy now pay later while maintaining control over your finances.